What's going on, guys? Repairs and reviews here. I'm going to show you one of two of my toolboxes today. I'll get to the other one shortly. This is the box I have on the wall at work. This is not the box that I work out of. It's kind of my overflow. Holds everything that I don't use on a daily basis. Some things that I use on a daily basis, but stuff that won't fit in my other box, like half-inch torque wrench. So I'll just get into it here. Not going to talk too much. So all my literature, everything that I print out, torque specs, procedures. Do a video of my box I actually work out of on a daily basis that has majority of my stuff, but I figured I'd do this one too.